you guys are looking from the inside of the wall at what this thing looks like, because a lot of times we want to know, how does this thing really work? Well, now that you're on the other side of the wall, you can see just how this thing actually grabs onto the wall and it's able to hold 90 pounds. So I got it installed. I insert the screw and I push the screw in, and you see how that thing falls down, and I start to screw and drill the screw in. And as I do that, and I'm going at a slow pace right now so you guys can visually see it, the arm catches in and it starts to pull it towards the drywall, and here it's a snug fit. And that is exactly how these toggle anchors work. They work like magic. When I first saw them, I was confused, but now that you guys know what they look like, anyone could do this now. And I think anyone is ready, and I think you are ready to go and just start putting shelves up around the house everywhere, just because I said so. Thanks for your time, guys, and have a great day. expertvillage.com. Thanks.